Well, good morning. I am still on the Carnival Miracle. It is, what day is it? I think it's Saturday. And today we are going to Cabo San Lucas. We have not quite arrived. We're waiting for Brooke to get done getting ready for the day. And we're going to go get probably some breakfast and wander around, get our tickets for the tender. It is so bright out here. Maybe I should put on my glasses. There we go. Get our tickets for the tender and go have a wonderful day in Cabo San Lucas. I'm so super excited. It's one of my favorite places that I've ever been. I've had the opportunity to stay there for a week the summer before COVID hit, and it was wonderful. So if you have a timeshare and can trade it, highly recommend. We stayed in this villa up on the hill and close to downtown Cabo, so it was away from a lot of the tourist areas. Public beach there almost every single day. It was lovely. So I am looking forward to showing Brooke around. The little time we have like 5 or 6 hours, but that'll be enough. You're welcome. I didn't know. Puffy's like, do you want to stand here? And I'm like, I can't stand when it's down. No, it's not, yeah, sit. I got to sit. I thought they separated us because I was the fat lady on board. I did. It's like, oh, I'm here because I'm fat. I'm fluffy, so I get to sit in the wheelchair, actually.
This is a government tax for the access fee. It's not about us, and it's just $1 each, or 15 pesos.
Can you borrow a dollar? Yeah, for me. All right, we're doing this. All right, guess what we're doing?
We're going on a glass bottom tour boat. And I'm hoping I don't get sick. A kind man named Guillermo convinced me I could. And then he walked me to go get a drink. So sweet. My guy just fell out yet again.
So if you're in Cabo, go to booth A4 and talk to Guillermo. He'll hook you up. We're doing it. We're doing it.
And let's fingers crossed Brooke doesn't get sick.
Can we take our masks off?
What did you say?
I don't know.
Take them off.
We can take our mask off?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Look, you don't have to keep it good.
Where you guys from?
I don't.
No. It's a formality.
Well, this will keep me safe.
Seattle.
Seattle, Washington.
Seattle, Washington. Safe.
Here we go.
We're doing it. Okay. So we're hoping to see some sea life. We got heads up, there's some whales that have been around, especially in the morning, but it's the afternoon. But I think we're zipping around to go see a sea lion on the way. This is so fun.
Ah, sorry.
Never mind, there's no sea lion. We're just picking up more people. Is it not working? We're picking up more passengers at Pelican Beach. There's fishes.
other side is Pacific side is right in here with Marc. This is the Sea of Cortez. You can cross through by walk to the Pacific side where you're gonna find a long beach like 2 or 3 times Commerce Beach, where we call it Divorce Beach. That's
Divorce Beach.
yeah, dangerous area. No. Que se le conoce como la ventana del Pacífico. Here comes the window to the Pacific. Se le conoce como la ventana del Pacífico o la ventana del beso, ya que aquí, como ven, entra la ola desde el Pacífico. En esa ola de
Oh, there's little crabs on there. Little blue over there. They're just like on the barnacle. Little blue crabs. Little baby blue crabs.
So close.
We got the Scooby-Doo rock formation, the whole rock letter. And here it comes, ladies and gentlemen, the main attraction in Cabo.
What? Can we go through it? Did you take the picture?
Oh, there's sea lions. Look at those. They're so sleepy.
They're very sleepy. They're very cute. They're sunning themselves.
A little bit stinky, but they're very cute.
Oh, wow. Esa pequeña piedra, chicas, aquí del lado derecho. Aquí esto ya el final de la tierra, el final de la baja península. Aquí se termina. La división la hacemos de los dos mares. De esta piedra al lado izquierdo, derecho, Mazatlán. Dividimos Mar de Cortés y Océano Pacífico.
I did it and I'm not sick yet.
You're doing great.
I am.
And you're enjoying yourself.
I am. That too.
That tour.
That was fun.
Super fun.
No,
Oh no, thank you.
So we are now going to shop. And
We're just gonna stay in the marina, I think.
The tour was very fun.
That was awesome. And it's only $20 a person to go on that, and it's about
I see a place.
45 minutes of boat ride. Oh, look. Mucho caliente.
Okay.
Do you like the Viagra Man?
Of course. Who wouldn't like a Viagra man?
She's in her element. I don't need anything. But the purses are so freaking cute. Look at them.
This one or that one? That's just a headband?
Yeah.
I'm going to stick everything in this bag that I'm going to buy, okay? So I'm not juggling.
Okay, Brooke has disappeared into the bowels of this market. I'm sure she will emerge soon. I hope so. Oh, she's fine. She's fine. Probably getting ripped off, but she's fine.
So I think this one was for, this is Jolene. This is for Sterling, because I got Jolene maracas last time. And then this one, was this one me or was this one Joanna?
When is Joanna?
Yeah, this one's Joanna. Okay, so I got for Joanna.
I don't think this video is going to be out until past Christmas, so I think you're good.
Don't forget for me.
Oh, hello.
Hola. Welcome Los Cabos.
On a handbag for a 7-year-old. Okay.
¿Cuánto les quiere dar lo menos? Porque ya le está comprando la bolsa y la blusa. $8. $8. And the free pom-pom.
What, 6?
7. 7. 7. Mexican bingo.
What about this one? How much is this one?
This one.
Can we do 8 on that one?
Que se la da esta noche. Yes. $8.
We can do 8 on this?
Go.
Yes.
You're in love with the Viagra Man.
I am. Who wouldn't love a Viagra man? That's blue, by the way.
Because the pills are blue, right? He's in the shape of the pill. Oh, that's backward.
No, he's not. He's got arms and legs.
I know, but he's got
Isn't
arms
that
and
blue?
legs. He's Viagra Man because he's in the shape of the pill.
You did it when I had food in my mouth again. Should I do my dance again?
Yeah.
Ready? The Alfonso Riviera dance.
There's no alcohol in this. Just let everybody know.
I'm a virgin.
Right. Got all cleaned up from our day in Cabo. Now we're heading off to dinner.
So this is mango cream.
And I got the meatball.
And it's good.
Well, guys, guess what? We fell asleep right after dinner with the intention of taking a nap and going to the deck party, but it is now 5 o'clock in the morning and we're going to get ready for the date. So we'll see you later.